Hello, and welcome to the GBC Productions YouTube channel. This is episode 15. In this video, I will be replacing the anode rod in an electric water heater. Now, there's always a possibility that this could go horribly wrong, which would make for a very entertaining video, and in which case, this would be a water heater replacement video. So the first thing I need to do is turn the power off to the water heater, and then turn off the cold water supply. Then I have to drain some water out of the tank. Now I don't want to drain it completely because I want the weight of the water to keep the tank from moving around. Alright, so the cold water supply is turned off, power is turned off, and the access cover to the anode rod is off, and I cleared some insulation out of there. Now I have a hose hooked up, going to a utility sink. I'm just draining some water out. Alright, here I have a 1 1/16 inch socket on a 1/2 inch drive ratchet with a fairly long handle, but not long enough. So I'm going to go get a piece of piping to put on there, like a fence pipe, and lengthen it out. This thing is in here tight. There it goes. I'll take my extension tube off now. I think I can get this out of here now. I'll just try to pull this out of here. Now this one's not in too bad a shape. I've seen worse. Now I'm not going to be able to clear the ceiling, so I'm going to probably have to saw this rod in half in order to get it out. Now I have to go try to find my hacksaw. This saw blade doesn't seem too terribly sharp. And after a bunch of sawing and switching away from my metric saw to my standard saw, it cut right through just fine. This rod is surprisingly not too bad, considering how long it's been in there. Now I gotta get the new anode rod. This one's made in magnesium. And put some Teflon tape on it. I'm gonna use the pink Teflon tape. Wrap it around counterclockwise about 3 or 4 turns. Like that. Now this is a shorter anode rod than what I took out of there, so I don't have the issue of hitting the ceiling trying to put it in. I want to make sure I start it by hand first. Torque it down to factory specs. Click. Turn the cold water on. Let the tank start to fill up. Check for leaks. Open this valve the rest of the way. No leaks. No leak down below. Turn the power back on. And put the little cover back on. Don't forget to subscribe for more, mash that like button, and comment below. Until next time, this is Uncle D from GBC Productions, signing off.